Hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Toys Review.
Hi guys, today we have our new toy. It's Thomas and Friends or Thomas the Tank Engine. So here we have the tracks and then we have Cranky Crane and we have a boat and we have Salty and what is it called, Ethan? Is it the treasure or what?
You mean that bag?
Yes,
It's a money bag.
it's a money bag. So can we build it?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
So this is the Salty
Yeah.
and we are playing around with this first, showing you guys what we have here, the parts. So that's what you call?
The money bag.
Yes, that's true. So now we are collecting
So you
all
put
the
so much
tracks.
money in there.
And this is the bridge?
Yeah. You have to build the bridge and snap it in.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's Cranky Crane. And what is this?
It's the warehouse.
The warehouse. Okay.
And those are the yellow track pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And that's Salty's carriage.
What are you doing now? You're
Now,
building the bridge?
yeah.
It's a little bit hard, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to snap it in like a crocodile or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, I'm snapping it
Good
like
work.
a crocodile or something. And that's the bridge I'm building, and Mom helped a bit.
Yeah, I'm helping you building the track.
Yeah, so why don't you come up and watch my videos? They're really awesome.
Mm-hmm. So we have a help from our little baby girl.
Yeah, that
Who's very
was.
busy.
So Cassie was taking over the whole world.
And we call her a baby Zilla because she always tries to destroy our stuffs.
Yeah. And one time she destroyed Daddy's slippers with a toy.
Alright, now we are building it. It is looking
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
You can actually build it as however you want it.
Yeah, because there's no instructions.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong whatever you do with your toys as long as you play it nicely.
And you can't smash toys
Yes,
like in the
and
one of
here
the
our
Ryan
baby
video.
girl is helping us.
Yeah. And she's just doing my side.
Yeah, she is trying very hard. She loves saying no. And this is Cranky
No
Crane.
is our favorite word.
What do you want to say, Cassie? Yeah, that's it. It's
And
looking good now, Ethan.
yeah, looking good. Everything is in control that it should be in control.
Yep.
Yeah. And Cassie broke the whole thing.
Yeah, she is trying to help.
Yeah. So why don't you come up and watch my videos? They're really awesome.
It's looking pretty good now, Ethan.
Yeah. So why don't you come up and watch my videos and come to my house? It's pretty messy with toys and 2 playpens.
So look at the track.
Yeah, look at the track. It's pretty big.
It's awesome. We love Thomas and Trent.
Yeah. And you connect the track. You can connect the track to another track.
We can.
Yeah. But there's not very much pieces.
That's right. Look at that.
Yeah. See, there's not much pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So we can connect the track to another track.
I love this one because it's very bright. The track is like
Yeah, I
yellow
like it
color.
too.
Usually Thomas and Trent has like blue track, right?
Yeah. And I have another track that's gray.
Oh, yeah, gray. I mean, usually gray. gray or blue, and this one is yellow. So it's a little
Or
bit
you can
different.
have a green one. Any
I've never
color.
seen green one. Have you ever seen green track before?
Only one at my school.
Oh, just cool. Alright, it's looking pretty good. The warehouse is getting ready.
Oh, like orange.
Salty and the trailer is getting ready. And then what else now?
I have to show them my cool trick.
Okay. Whoops.
Ah,
Cranky trick.
that's not
Cranky
the
crank.
trick. That's not the trick.
It's not the trick.
Yeah, the trick was I was putting the money bag inside the cranky crane, and when Salty came, it banged on his head.
Okay, we are now ready to move Salty along the track. And we finished putting the
Money bag on the cranky crane, and it's a different way, not at front, because I will turn him around.
choo-choo.
And it's like he's backing up to it because the front isn't where the carriage is. Over the hill.
Is it fun, Ethan?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I give that one 100 million stars.
Uh-oh. The warehouse is...
I give it 100 million stars. I give it 1,000,000 stars, Mom.
million stars?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. 1,000,000
This is
thousand
your
stars.
most favorite toy.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and I have some more favorite toys.
Yes. Beep beep, choo-choo.
Yeah.
Salty's on the way.
For the money! For the sir! I need the warehouse.
On the bridge, down the bridge, going on the track, and ready to pick up the money back. Salty, give me the money back, please. Oh, here we go,
Yeah.
Salty. I mean, Cranky. Ah, there we go.
So I can just start it over. I can just start it over. Pretty
Really?
easy.
Oh, good job.
You just have
Money
to
back
put
is
the
ready to be
the
picked
crane
up.
and put it on there and put the warehouse up.
Yeah.
And now I have to go back.
Now you are trying to turn Cranky Crane and put the money back on the carriage.
Do you usually call those things with the things to keep it in toads?
Really?
Yeah.
That's good, honey.
You
All
usually
right.
call them toads.
This is a pretty good toy for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
We
And
all
you
love
can
it.
do it with different trains.
So we give this 5 out of 5 stars.
Yeah.
It means it's really good, isn't it?
Yeah. And
Okay.
we can do it with different trains.
That's right. All right, guys. Thank you
forgot to say
so
that.
much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos to your families and friends. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.